Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to perfectly set a MacBook battery charge limit in macOS. Keeping your MacBook plugged in all day might feel convenient, but over time it can quietly affect your battery's long-term health. That's exactly why Apple introduced the charge limit feature, giving users more control over how much their device charges. Previously available on iPhone, the Smart Battery Management option has now made its way to Macs, allowing you to cap charging at 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%, or let it go all the way to 100% when needed. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen. After that you have to choose System Settings option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to click on Battery in the left sidebar. After that you have to hit the I button located next to charging. Then you have to drag the charge limit slider to your preferred levels such as 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%, or 100%. Then you have to hit the Done button to confirm the changes, and that's about it. Once set, your Mac will stop charging when it reaches the selected limit, while optimized battery charging continues to run in the background unless you disable it from the same settings panel. Keep in mind that even if you choose a limit below 100%, your Mac may occasionally charge all the way to full capacity. This helps macOS keep battery readings accurate, but most of the time it will stay within your chosen charging limit. Now that I've unlocked this pretty helpful battery feature, make the most of it in order to increase the battery life of your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.